Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now before we start the review, let's talk about the bonuses which I have to offer. So we are going to give you three bonuses which you can see on your screen. So the number one bonus is going to be free lifetime email autoresponder. And then second is grab cash jacking free copy. And the third one is Forex Profit Machine Beginner's Guide 11,000 words ebook. Okay. I will explain these one by one. Before that, make sure you watch the video till the end because after this review in this video, I am going to explain or talk about the methods which I personally use to make money on the internet, my personal methods. Okay, so make sure you watch the video till the end. And now if you go and buy this product for which we are doing the review using my link below, which will be saying grab copy here. So that will take you to the sales page. If you go and buy this product using my link below, you will get these three bonuses. Okay, so number one bonus is free lifetime email autoresponders. So sign up here and then you will be able to start doing email marketing. You can grow your email list for free and send emails for free for lifetime. Okay, so go and get the first bonus if you buy from a link. Second is kiss jacking free copy 2 hours video training. So if you go below my video again, it says here, right here, grab kiss jacking. So if I click on this is a training program which I sell separately. But if you buy this product, you do not have to pay for it. Okay, I'm giving you this as a bonus. Okay, I sell this separately, but if you go and buy this product using my link below, it says grab copy, then you will get kiss jacking absolutely for free. What is kiss jacking? It is a 2 hours video training in which you will learn how to do what I am doing on YouTube right now or what others are doing. Meaning, if you want to make these reviews and make sales and make money on YouTube by doing these reviews, then you will know exactly how to start on YouTube absolutely for free. Okay. So get your case tracking copy absolutely for free. And the third one is Forex Profit Machine. In case you are curious about learning trading Forex, okay, then this is your 11,000 words PDF, which you can download and read. It is totally for newbies so that you can get an idea what this industry is if you do not know anything about Forex trading. Okay, so you will get these three bonuses if you go and buy from me. So let's do a quick recap. First of all, watch this video till the end so that you can know my methods which I personally use to make money on the internet. And then if you go and grab the copy using my link below, so you will find the link of the sales page most probably in my every video. If not, then it's okay. So go and grab the copy using my link below to get access to these bonuses, free email, free lifetime autoresponder, then kiss tracking copy, and then this 11,000 words PDF about Forex trading as a beginner. Okay, and I will send you the link of this document and then you will be able to access all the bonuses at once. Okay, and if you have any questions, you can always email me. If you are able to, if you have any difficulties in accessing your bonus after the purchase, you can always email to me. Okay, so now let's go and start the review. All right, guys, let's do this quick review for Easy AI Site Creator. So we are on the sales page right now and it comes with a PLR license. So I am going to be very quick here because the price is increasing with every sale. So if you come here, it shows you price right now is $5.30. Okay, it started with $5. And after 30 sales, I guess, 25 plus sales, it shows here. Okay. So it had, it was 528, like 5 minutes ago, and now it's 530. So the price is increasing with every sale. So it's true. Okay. So you have to act fast and buy this as soon you finish watching this review. Okay. So you will find the link of this sales page below my YouTube video. It will be saying grab Easy AI Site Creator copy here. Click on that link. That link will take you to the sales page right here. Okay, and then go and grab your copy and you will get those bonuses which we discussed in the beginning as well. So it says this single super prompt generates amazing websites in minutes, create amazing websites in seconds, full PLR rights included. So the amazing thing is that in just $5-6 you also get PLR rights. PLR means private label rights. So technically you can edit this product and sell it as your own as well. Okay, and then your software or this prompt will create some websites or web pages for you which you can sell to any local business. So these are examples. You can see these are the pages you can create with the prompt. So what this does, it gives you some training inside, and using the training you will be generating the prompt, And once you generate that prompt, you will type that or copy and paste that prompt into ChatGPT, and ChatGPT will go ahead and create these kind of pages for you, which you're supposed to sell to some local businesses and make money with it. Okay, so you will get to know how exactly you can get this done inside the training. And again, you see now the price has just increased to 531. Let me see. If I refresh this right now, just hold on. Okay, so let's see if it is 531 or not. What's happening? Just hang on, guys. Okay, we'll worry about this later, but here on the sales page, it is increasing in real time. Okay, so we saw 530 and now it's 531, so it's increasing, so you act fast. Okay, and then these are again some claims you can see. So easy peasy and lemon squeezy. Go and check out all these things. I'm going to cut this short, otherwise you will have to pay more. Okay, so what we got? Is this covered by money back guarantee? Yes. Is there any training? Yes, we included training, and you will get 24/7 support that is available to reply any of your questions. You can email them right here. This is the email easyai@flows.net. Before, if you want, if you have any questions before buying this, you can email them, or just buy it and then email after, because you have 30 days money back guarantee anyway. Okay, I mean $6 is nothing right now. It's 531, so it's just nothing. Okay, if you want to know which prompt to type it into ChatGPT to create these kind of websites or pages, as you can see here, and then sell it to local businesses with the PLR rights, you have the PLR rights that you can go and sell this easy AI Site Creator as your own launch next time. So you can go and grab the copy. And then in the OTOs, let's see what we have here. So in the OTOs, we have this OTO one is easy AI something with pro version for 1193. That's again a dime sale. Then easy AI ebook writer PLR. Okay, that's again some PLR to write ebooks. Okay, then we have OTO 3 one prompt business creator. So these are all on dime sale. So act fast, and you can pick and choose. You can grab the OTOs which you need, or you can leave which you don't. Okay, so go ahead, grab your copy, and you will get my bonuses as well. So just go and get this, and also watch the video till the end, because now I'm going to talk about how do I make my money using my methods below. Alright guys, now let's quickly talk about the methods which I personally use to make money online, and below the video you have to go and check out these links. So this link which says swing like a pro, so if you click on that link and then follow the instructions, you will come to this page right here. So this is forex trading. Not everybody does that. I do it. So in case you want to try forex trading, you can click on that swing like a pro link and come to this page and watch these videos one by one. These are short videos, 2 minutes long, to see how this works or how can we make money with this. And if this is something which you want to try, then you can join my mentorship program. That's method number one, which I do. Not everybody does. Okay, so second link is saying make money on YouTube. So when you click on the second link, then follow the instructions and you will be on this page after that. It is Traffic Jarvis, so your free traffic on YouTube. Because when you come on YouTube, you can make money in multiple ways. You can make money by getting your YouTube channel monetized. For example, when you saw some ads in my video, I make a little bit of money because my YouTube channel is monetized. How you can do that? You can get 1,000 subscribers, or these days 500 subscribers, I guess, but you can get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours just within a month if you follow this training program, and you will get your YouTube channel monetized just within a month, so that YouTube starts paying you for people who will watch the video and the ads. Okay, so you can see I have made this kind of money just by making these videos where people have seen my videos. Nothing buying, no nothing. Okay, and also you can go ahead and make sales. For example, you record YouTube videos, and when somebody will buy something from you, then you make sales using free YouTube traffic. Okay, so if you want to go and make a full-time career on YouTube, go and check out this Traffic Jarvis. And then third link says get 100 email leads per day. So this system will give you 100 email leads per day, and you can email them once every day, and you can sell them anything you want, or you can sell them this system itself. For example, if I show you, this is the system I have been using, and I had been making recurring commissions for the number of years, as you can see, never ending. Okay, so if somebody will buy the system from you, you make commissions every month reoccurring. Okay, on top of that, you get 100 email leads per day, and you can email them any offer of your choice. Okay, whatever you want to promote or sell, you can do that, right? So again, go and grab the free bonus email autoresponder here. So let's do a quick recap. We have done the review already. Okay, if you want to try trading, then you can click the swing like a pro. If you want to make a full-time income on YouTube, then click this second link, make money on YouTube, come to this page and grab traffic Jarvis. If you want 100 email leads per day and email them once per day, anything which you want to sell, then click on this link and join that program right here. And as I told you in the beginning, go and grab your bonus free lifetime email autoresponder by clicking on this link. And if you buy from my link, you will get that kiss jacking bonus we discussed, because kiss jacking is a separate 2 hours of training, as you can see on YouTube. Okay. So if you want to get these bonuses, free email autoresponder and my free 2 hours kiss jacking training, then go and buy this review which we have done. Go and buy this product using my link somewhere here. And that's all for it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and share. Till then, take care.